What's up, y'all? I know it's been a while. Last video, I was getting some work done out in the country, but now I got her back home. Finna try to work on this front half myself, or do as much as I can by myself. It's gonna need a lot of body work, but mostly it's getting this rust off. Grab some tools, some wire wheels, a little propane. That's to help get this Bondo off easier. I saw a little trick on YouTube. Some brushes, power drill. I got a corded one, which I think would be much more efficient. But yeah, I started doing a little work. The rust came off pretty easy, but then there was some spots that had like this texture on it that the wire wheel wasn't getting off. So someone suggested I use some sandpaper. It came right off and it's pretty smooth. Front half is pretty rusty, but it has been sandblasted before, so it came off pretty easy. So that's what I will be working on, getting this rust off and possibly some welding later on. As you can see, the back half is already done, got the floor pans in. I do need new toe boards. I don't know, I think I saw a video that said they should have been replaced before the floor pan, but too late for that. But yeah, I decided to go this route because I spent a lot of money doing the back half, and with the aftermarket parts, it just seemed like it wasn't fitting like the original, and I would still need to do a lot of work. And plus, some of this stuff is still solid. I mean, my body man suggested a bunch of new metal, but that's what every purist is gonna say. And plus, it's not their money, it's your money you're spending. And I know restorations are not cheap. It's not a cheap hobby, but I mean, if I could give it a shot, why not? So that's what we gonna do. So y'all leave me y'all comments, suggestions on what I could do with this rust to get it off and keep it off. I've been looking at a lot of YouTube stuff. There's a lot of great channels with a lot of great material, so I'm learning along the way. Like I said, I'll probably end up getting a welder, learn how to do some welding, but I'd rather put that time and money into myself to have that knowledge and the tools, so if I decide to do a future restoration, I can. You know, it's like you could pay someone, but they would never do it how you would if you could. So hopefully, with y'all help, I could and I will. So until the next one, I'm gonna be working on this rust. Peace.